my name is Shelly Verma and today I am here with my new Micron pen set, and today I'm going to do unboxing of it and I'm gonna show that how does each pen works. Let's open it. So I ordered it from Amazon. It came super fast and you can see there are 6 pens and numbers are written over here. First one is 005, second one is 01, 02, 03, 05 and 04. So let's start working upon it. Let's see how does it works. Before that, I'll just tell you that these are basically chemically stabled, waterproof and fade resistance. For example, if you are working with watercolors, like for example these kind of watercolor paintings, so you can easily basically work with these pens. And let's start with the first one. I'm going to use 005 first. Let's start. So I'll be writing over here 005. Let's see how does it work. I'm just making random design as per my choice. So you can see these are very fine lines. This quite pointed. Second one I'm going to use is 01. This one 01. So after using it, make sure that you always close it, otherwise it will be dried. So here I am going to make different kind of design. You can easily make mandala painting from it, and madhubani kind of design also you can make from these kind of pens. Are really fine and you can easily work with these if you have control on your hand. Okay. Let's use another one, 00. This is 02. Okay, 02 is, let's see, we can make one spiral design over here. Wow, these tips are really doing wonderful job. Here I'm going to make some oval, half ovals. I'm making my design, you can use your own design also. Okay, these are really nice kind of pen. You can see with how it is going, like broader. Tip is going broader. Like 005 is the most pointed pen. After that the number goes up. The broadness will be increased. I'm going to use now 04. This was 03. This 04. And I'm going to use some different kind of design, making one eye. working very nicely. Okay. And lastly, I'm going to use 0.5. So here I'm going to make some baby lines. Now it is going like abstract. Alright, so you have seen that how I used these new pens, and hopefully that I'm going to make more designs from them. You can also try them. These are very nice in quality, and I have been using these kind of pens since a long time, but today I got my order and these are the new ones and I'm really loving it. I'll be keeping them in the case only because I don't want to lose them, so I'll be just keeping it inside them. Here it's very easy to keep. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.